Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teacher English Speaking channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lucy.
And I am Tom. Hello everyone. It is wonderful to see you all here today. I am feeling full of energy because today we are going on a journey.
A journey? Tom, are we going on vacation?
Not exactly. Lucy. But we are going to talk about how to get to a vacation. Today's topic is all about transportation.
Perfect. This is such an essential topic. Whether you are commuting to work, visiting a friend, or traveling to a new country, you need to know how to talk about moving from point A to point B.
Exactly. Everyone uses transportation, buses, trains, subways, bicycles, or even your own 2 feet. It is a part of our everyday reality.
But you know, Tom, for English learners, transportation can be stressful. Imagine you are in a foreign city. You are lost. You need to find the train station, but you don't know the words.
Oh, that is a scary feeling. The panic. Where do I go? Which bus do I take?
So, today, we are going to fix that. We will teach you how to speak naturally about all the ways we move. We will cover city transport, long-distance travel like trains and planes, and even road trips.
We will share simple phrases for buying tickets, asking for directions, and what to say when things go wrong, like when you are late.
By the end of this video, you will have a complete travel toolkit of English phrases. You will feel confident to navigate any city in the world.
That sounds amazing. So, if you are ready to hit the road with us, please show us some love by hitting that like button.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson. Are you ready to move? Let's get started. Let's start with something familiar. The daily commute. This is how you get to work or school every single day. Tom, how do you usually get to the studio?
Well, I usually take the bus. It is convenient because the stop is right in front of my apartment.
Take the bus. That is a key phrase. Notice the verb take. We use take for almost all public transport.
Yes, you can say, I take the bus, I take the train, I take the subway, or even I take a taxi.
But what if you use your own vehicle, like a car or a bicycle?
Good question. If you drive a car, you say, I drive to work, or I go by car. If you use a bicycle, you say, I ride my bike.
And if you live very close?
Then you say, I walk, or a fun idiom is, I go on foot.
So, listeners, think about your life. How do you go to work? Do you take the bus? Do you drive? Say it out loud right now. I take the... or I drive.
Excellent. Now, Lucy, let's talk about the subway or metro like underground. Do you remember the first time you took a subway in a big city?
Oh, yes. I was in London. I was so nervous. The map looked like a bowl of spaghetti, lines everywhere, and the train was so crowded.
Crowded. That means there were many, many people.
Yes, and I was afraid I would miss my stop.
Miss my stop. That is a very important phrase. It means you did not get off at the right station. You stayed on the train too long.
Exactly. I was listening so carefully to the announcement. Next stop, Central Station. And I jumped off just in time.
It feels like a small adventure every time. Okay, let's talk about another common problem in the city. Traffic.
Oh, traffic. The enemy of time. Imagine you are late for a meeting. You call your boss. What do you say?
You say, I'm stuck in traffic.
Stuck in traffic? This means the cars are not moving. You are trapped.
It is a great phrase to explain why you are late. Sorry I'm late. I was stuck in traffic. Nobody can be angry at you for that.
True. Now, Tom, sometimes we need to take a taxi or an Uber. This involves talking to the driver.
Yes. When you get into a taxi, the driver will ask, where to? Or where are you going?
And you can answer with the simple phrase, can you take me to, please?
Can you take me to the airport, please? Or can you take me to the train station? Please.
Let's do a quick role play. I am the driver. You are the passenger.
Okay. Opens car door sound effect. Hi there.
Hi. Where are you heading?
Can you take me to the city mall, please?
Sure. Do you want the highway or the side streets?
The fastest route, please. I am in a hurry.
No problem. Buckle up.
Normal voice. That was easy. The fastest route means the quickest way.
And buckle up means put on your seatbelt. Safety first.
Now, Lucy, let's be honest. Even with a phone, sometimes we get lost.
Oh, all the time? My sense of direction is terrible.
Me too. So, we need to know how to ask for help politely.
The magic phrase to start is always, excuse me.
Never just say, where is the station? That sounds rude. Always say, excuse me first.
Then you can ask, how do I get to?
How do I get to the museum? Or how do I get to the nearest bank?
Another good one is this the right way to?
Is this the right way to the park? This is good when you are walking, but you are not sure.
And if you want to know the distance, you ask, how far is it?
How far is it? Can I walk there, or do I need a taxi?
Let's practice asking. I am a stranger on the street. You are lost.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
I think I'm lost. Can you help me?
Sure. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the National Library. Is it near here?
Oh, yes. It's very close. Go straight 2 blocks, then turn left. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. You used I think I'm lost and I'm looking for. These are very natural phrases.
And you can't miss it is a common idiom people say when giving directions. It means it is very big or easy to see.
Okay, we have conquered the city. Now let's travel further. Let's talk about trains.
I love trains. They are so romantic and relaxing. You can read, look out the window.
But before you relax, you have to buy a ticket. And there is a very important question the ticket seller will ask you.
One way or round trip?
This confuses so many students. Let's explain it.
A one-way ticket means you go there, but you do not come back on that ticket. A to B?
A round-trip ticket means you go there and you come back. A to B and B to A.
In the UK, they often say single for one way and return for round trip. But one way and round trip work everywhere.
Let's do a ticket station role play. I am the ticket agent.
I am the traveler. Hello. I'd like a ticket to Paris. Please.
Okay, one way or round trip?
Round trip, please. I am coming back on Sunday.
That will be $50. The next train leaves at 10:30 from platform 4. Simple. Notice the word platform. That is where the train stops. In an airport, it's a gate. At a train station, it's a platform.
And you also need to listen for the phrase, the train leaves at, don't be late.
Now, let's fly even higher. Let's talk about air travel. The airport?
The airport is a place of many emotions: excitement, sadness, stress, and lots of vocabulary.
Yes. Let's go through the process step by step. First, you arrive and go to the check-in counter.
Here, you show your ticket and give them your big bags. What do they ask?
They ask, "Can I see your passport, please?"
And you say, here you are?
Then they ask about your bags. Do you have any bags to check in?
To check in means to put them under the plane. The small bag you keep with you is called a carry-on.
Right. Then the fun question, window or aisle?
We talked about this before. Window seat is for looking at clouds. Aisle seat is for walking around easily.
Which one do you prefer, Tom?
I am an aisle guy. I have long legs. I need space. What about you?
I love the window. I like to sleep against the wall.
After check-in, you go through security. This is where you take off your shoes and belt.
Then you find your gate. And finally, you board the plane.
Boarding means getting on the plane. Listen for announcements like Flight 202 is now boarding at Gate 5.
But Tom, sometimes the flight does not leave on time.
Oh no, the dreaded word, delayed.
My flight is delayed. It means it is late, maybe because of bad weather.
Or even worse, canceled. That means no flight today. Go home.
I hope that never happens to you. But if it does, don't panic. Just go to the desk and say, "My flight was canceled. Can you help me rebook?"
Okay, enough airports? Let's get in a car and drive. Let's talk about road trips.
Road trips are freedom, but you need some specific words for the car.
First, before you leave, you need to put gasoline in the car. We say, fill up the tank.
I need to fill up the tank.
Then, you hit the road. That is a great idiom. It simply means start the journey.
Let's hit the road. It sounds exciting.
While you're driving, maybe you get tired or hungry. You need to stop. We say, let's take a break.
Or a very specific phrasal verb for driving, pull over.
Pull over. P-U-L-L. It means to move the car to the side of the road and stop.
I need to pull over. I want to take a photo. Or the police told him to pull over.
Hopefully not the police. And if you use a map on your phone, that is called the GPS.
Sometimes the GPS makes mistakes. Then you take a wrong turn.
Oops, we took a wrong turn. We need to turn around.
Road trip vocabulary is very useful, even if you are just a passenger. You can be the co-pilot.
We have covered so many types of transport today. But Lucy, I think we should talk about the culture of travel, too.
Good idea. Transportation tells you a lot about a country.
In London, the subway is called the Tube. In New York, it is the subway. In Paris, it is the metro.
In Vietnam or Thailand, motorbikes are everywhere. It is a motorbike culture.
In the Netherlands, everyone rides bicycles. It is amazing to see grandmothers and businessmen all on bikes.
It really is. And the etiquette is different too. In Japan, the trains are completely silent. No talking on phones.
In Italy, the trains are loud and lively. People talk and share food.
So, when you travel, observe how people move. It is a language lesson without words.
And speaking of lessons, let's talk about the mindset of learning English as a journey.
I love this metaphor. Learning English is exactly like a long road trip.
Yes, sometimes you are on a fast train. You learn quickly. Everything is easy.
Sometimes you are stuck in traffic. You feel like you are not moving. You study, but you don't improve.
That is normal. Everyone gets stuck in traffic sometimes. The important thing is, don't get out of the car.
Exactly. Don't quit. The traffic will move again. You will start learning again. Just keep the engine running.
Or maybe you took a wrong turn. You made a mistake. That is okay. Just turn around, correct yourself, and keep going.
There is no wrong bus in learning. Every experience teaches you something.
Wow. Lucy, what a journey. We went from the bus stop to the airport to a road trip philosophy.
Let's do a massive review to make sure our listeners remember the key phrases.
Review 1. City travel. To use a vehicle, I take the bus, train, taxi. If you are late, I was stuck in traffic. If you don't know where to go, excuse me, how do I get to...
Review 2. Long distance. At the train station. A round-trip ticket, please. At the airport. Here is my passport. Window or aisle. If the plane is late, it is delayed.
Review 3. Driving. Start the trip. Hit the road. Stop the car. Pull over. Put gas in. Fill up the tank.
You guys are building such a strong vocabulary toolkit. Now, Tom, what is our golden tip for today?
My golden tip is narrate your journey.
Narrate, like telling a story?
Yes. Next time you're going to work or school, talk to yourself in English, maybe in your head if people are around.
What should I say?
Say, I am walking to the bus stop. I am waiting for the bus. Oh, the bus is late. Now I am getting on the bus. I am swiping my card.
I love that. You are describing your real life in real time.
Exactly. It turns dead time, travel time, into learning time. You don't need a book. You just need to look around and describe what is happening.
That is brilliant. And if you don't know a word, like sidewalk or traffic light, look it up on your phone immediately.
Yes. That is how you learn words that are actually relevant to your life.
Well, we have arrived at our destination. The end of the episode!
Time flies when you're having fun. Thank you all so much for traveling with us today.
We hope you feel more confident to buy that ticket, ask for that direction, and explore the world in English.
If you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe to the Teacher English Speaking channel. We are building a community of brave travelers here.
And please share this video with a friend. Learning is better with a travel buddy.
Now, for our practice challenge. We want to know about your commute.
Question: how do you usually go to work or school? And how long does it take?
Use the phrases we learned. Example: I take the bus. It takes 30 minutes. Or I drive my car. It takes 1 hour because of traffic.
Write your answer in the comments below. We read every single one, and we love hearing about your daily lives in different countries.
Keep moving, keep speaking, and keep hitting the road to fluency.
Until next time, safe travels, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye for now.